Hey fam, it's Linda Word. So I am trying my first attempt at chicken spaghetti. So this was a recipe when I was a young girl. My first time trying it was my Aunt Chris had made it. God rest her soul. But it was the best I have ever tasted. And I remember it to this day how good it was. Now, this was at our family reunion, and I'm from Texas, very close to Lockhart, Texas, where it's the barbecue capital of the world. So we have barbecue naturally at your family reunions, but all I wanted was this chicken spaghetti that she made. It was so good. So all these years later, now I'm attempting to make it. I remember sneaking in the kitchen when she made hers, but I did not watch everything. So I kind of had to ask around cousins and say, hey, how did your mom make that? So I got the recipe and I kind of put a little twist on mine. I just put some Parmesan cheese on the top. Everything else pretty much was what they said to use. So it turned out very good. I mean, I don't think I put enough spaghetti into it, but you know what? That's fine. I can use this to snack on for the rest of the week for my lunch because it's just me, my husband, and my granddaughter. And I made this big old pot of it. But anyway, here's the video. Enjoy.